हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू लेट्स गेट एम्प्लॉयमेंट। Amazon सेल्स एसोसिएट रोल के लिए हायरिंग कर रही है। जॉब लोकेशन इज बैंगलोर, कर्नाटका। लेट अस सी द जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन फर्स्ट। आर यू कस्टमर ऑब्सेस्ड, फ्लेक्सिबल, स्मार्ट एंड एनालिटिकल, strategic yet execution focused and passionate about e-commerce? Are you an experienced entrepreneurial leader with a strong work ethic? If yes, this opportunity will appeal to you. Amazon Services offers services to sellers in multiple countries to sell on Amazon websites globally and grow multi-channel commerce. So this is about Amazon e-commerce business. So working in a dynamic sales environment, you will be responsible for prospecting, qualifying, negotiating and closing agreements with third-party sellers. Your success will be measured by the product selection and revenue your clients bring to the platform. Your responsibility will include helping define key retailer segments to target, establishing seller relationships and drive the day-to-day interactions with these companies in order to build long-term business opportunity. The ideal candidate will possess a demonstrated ability to think strategically about business, product and e-commerce challenges with the ability to build and convey compelling value proposition to sellers of all sizes. Now, to be successful in this role, you will have superior communication, presentation and organizational skills. So this is the overall job description. Here they have mentioned specific responsibilities in this job role. So understand Amazon services, products and services and be able to articulate its function and benefits to external audiences, help define the seller base and industry verticals we target and influence a sales plan that it is in line with our global seller business direction. And then let us check the personal attributes and competences. Demonstrated intense customer focus, highest level of integrity, intellectual honesty and strong work ethic, sharp, analytical and thoughtful, has sound judgment and ability to be right a lot, thoroughly thinks through problems to come up with solutions, applies fair and consistent criteria, gathers the right input data, uses intuition, is decisive, makes good decisions when analysis of data is not sufficient to reach a conclusion, proven ability to successfully thrive in an ambiguous environment and changing market conditions, then simplify but at the same time thinks big, takes smart risks, is innovative and can think out of the box. These are all the personal attributes they require. Now let us check the basic qualifications. So deep understanding and passion of e-commerce required. Experience in a highly analytical, result-oriented environment with external customer interaction required. Proven analytical skills and demonstrated ability to manage the business by the numbers. Excellent written and oral communication and presentation skills and the ability to express thoughts logically. Demonstrated active listening skills. Highly consultative and solutions oriented. Bachelor degree required. MBA is preferred. So all the graduates are eligible for this job role. Now they have mentioned preferred qualifications also. Let us check that also. So preferred qualification is experience with e-commerce, retail, advertising or media would be an advantage. Previous responsibility for strategic development. These are the same things you can read in the job description also. So if you feel you are eligible for this job role and you are interested in the e-commerce business, then you can apply for this job role by clicking on the apply now button. After clicking on apply now, you have to log in into your Amazon account. After that, this apply page will open. You have to fill all the information here: contact information, SMS notification, general questions, work history and skills, education, work eligibility, resume, acknowledgement, voluntary self-identification question. Then you have to review your application and submit the application. You can find the link description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फॉर मोर लेटेस्ट जॉब अपडेट्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.